Welcome to Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy's weekly Mellow Mood Mind Day. Happens every Monday evening. Thanks for tapping in. Tonight, we are going to practice the Universal Healing Taoist Formula 1 6 healing sounds. Now sit in a chair comfortably, your back straight. And this inner alchemy meditation, you will keep your eyes open so that you can visualize your negative emotions going into the earth to be transformed into positive emotions. Let's begin. Hold your hands over your lungs. Feel the cool, dry quality of the metal element in the lungs and in the earth. Inhale white light of courage into the lungs. Hold the breath momentarily. Lungs are glowing white with courage. Now relax sadness as you exhale to the pull of gravity with the healing sound. Hold the hands over the kidneys. Feel the cold, wet quality of the water element in the kidneys and in the earth. Inhale blue light of calm into the kidneys. Hold the breath momentarily. The kidneys glowing blue with calm. Relax and exhale, let go of fear to the pull of gravity with the healing sound. Hold your hands over the liver underneath the right breast. Feel the warm, moist quality of the wood element in the liver and in the earth. Inhale green light of generosity into the liver and in the earth. Hold the breath momentarily, the liver glowing green with kindness. Relax and let go and exhale anger to the pull of gravity with the healing sound. Hold your hands over the heart. Feel the hot, dry quality of the fire element in the heart and in the earth. Inhale red light of joy into the heart. Hold the breath momentarily, the heart glowing red with happiness. Exhale and relax and let go impatience to the pull of gravity with the healing sound. Hold the hands over the spleen underneath the left breast. Feel the neutral, stable quality of the earth element in the spleen and in the earth. Inhale yellow light of openness into the spleen. Hold the breath momentarily, the spleen glowing yellow with openness. Relax and exhale and let go of worry to the pull of gravity with the healing sound. Lean back in your chair or lay on the floor. Feel the energy in the 3 cauldrons. Feel energy in the earth. Inhale clear light from the center of the earth into the center of the belly, heart, and head. Hold the breath momentarily. 3 cauldrons glowing clear. Relax and exhale and let go of mental, emotional, and physical tension to the pull of gravity with the healing sound. Trauma recovery is optimal in a parasympathetic state, most easily accomplished with long exhalations. Relax and let go of physical and emotional trauma, tension, and toxicity with long exhalations of the 6 healing sounds. That is your mellow mood moment. Comment below how you feel. Feel free to reach out. All our details are in the description box below. Thank you, and thank yourself for giving yourself the permission to stay here. See you next Monday for a Mellow Mood Mind Day. And let this beautiful rhythm stay with you. One love.